Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making our last card from Walk in the Woods series, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the last of the Walk in the Woods series, and we're going to be using The World Needs More of What You Are. And we'll start with our stamping. I have our stamp mounted on clear block B, and I'm going to come in with the Just Jade, and this is a new end color. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm just going to put that right down here in the middle, just like that. This is a super simple card. That is all the stamping we are doing. I'm going to bring it in the picture. And I have the printed labels dies. So I have this one here. And then I have a piece of vellum, and then I have this one here. All right, so we'll run that through. All right, so we'll pop that out. We're going to use these pieces, and we'll start putting this card together. I have the Designer Series paper, Forever Greenery, I believe is what it's called, but I will put it down here. I'm going to come in with my silicone mat and my Stampin' Seal. And then I have a matte piece. I'm sorry, this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and the Just Jade is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, so just like that, then I put some more Stampin' Seal. All right, and our card base is Whisper White thick, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So we are just going to put this right here. And you know what? I think for this one, I am going to go ahead and come in with the Just Jade. When I first designed it, I didn't. So I'll show y'all the two different ones, and y'all can decide which one y'all like better. All right, so just like that. We'll put the adhesive here. And I'm going to center that. That looks pretty good there. Give it a rub down. And I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals here. All right. And I have my in color enamel dots. So let's see. I'm gonna put one here and one there. Oops. Well, that seemed to come off. All right, so just like that. Quick and simple card. This is the one that we did today. This is the one I did the other day. Let me know which one you like best, with the ribbon or without the ribbon. Thanks for watching. And if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!